Hi, it's Chef Brian. Today we are talking about induction cooking, what it is, how it works, and why it's a good thing in your kitchen. Induction cooking is a type of cooking that uses magnetic induction to heat cookware directly. The copper coils underneath the burners use electricity to create a magnetic field which, when in contact with the proper magnetic cookware, causes a current in the cookware that generates heat. You can see here as the egg cooks that only the pan is hot and not the burner. It should heat cookware faster because the pan is in direct contact with the induction burner. Safety and efficiency are built into induction cooking. The rhythm of induction cooking is different than cooking with gas or electric ranges. There's a learning curve, but it's worth the advantage. Induction cooking requires compatible cookware. Metal like cast iron and some stainless steel work best with induction cooking. The cooking surface should also be as flat as possible. This pan with the circular raised grooves is an example of a poor surface for an induction cooktop. Other metals in cookware like aluminum or ceramic will not work on an induction range or cooktop. An easy way to test to see if your cookware is compatible with the induction cooking is to see if a magnet will stick to the bottom. If it doesn't stick to the bottom, then it's not induction compatible. Most manufacturers will have this symbol to help identify if the cookware is induction ready. Using the correct size cookware to the size of the burner maximizes the benefits of induction cooking. Less heat is wasted and temperature adjustments are more instantaneous with the right size cookware. The cooktop will detect whether the cookware is present too. Not placing the cookware as close to the burner center will impact the cooking performance. The power of the burner and its fast heating are compromised when the cookware is off center. When moving one pan to another burner, pick it up and move it. Do not slide it across the cooktop to prevent scratching. Sometimes a noise, such as humming or buzzing sound, can be heard while cooking. Those sounds are made by the cooling fan underneath the burner as it heats up or cools down. You can also sometimes hear a crackling noise. With induction ranges, there's an electromagnetic current flow that can cause a vibration between the pan and the burner. This is generally caused by the cookware. All of these noises are perfectly normal to hear and shouldn't alarm you when you're cooking on your range. Flat pan surface or cookware that covers the cooking area of the burner should produce less noise. Another benefit of induction cooktop is that spills on the cooktop are easier to manage. Because of the heat concentrated on the burner and pan, the area around the burner does not heat up like cooking with gas or electric cooktops. The majority of the glass cooktop stays cooler. This makes the spills and drips easier to clean. I've been cooking for over 30 years, and while induction cooking isn't as flashy as a gas range, in my experience, its heating precision and speed makes it perfect. For those reasons, I'm Team Induction.